Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm going to be playing a 2011 Gibson Buckethead Studio. We're going to be checking out one of my favorite pedals, the Deaf Kliptonite. I absolutely love this pedal. I fell in love with this pedal first thing at the 2016 NAMM show. I'd never met any of the Stone Deaf guys before, and I'd never really played any of their pedals, but I sat down, tried them all out, and this is the one that I fell in love with most of all. All of their pedals have a paracentric EQ, this wonderful thin, fat switch. You also have a mid boost, or low and high that you can kind of pop out of the mix. Volume, this zero over here is a cut and boost for a very specific frequency, as well as you've got how much drive you want to have or how much fuzz you want to have. And then this right here is what really makes it unique, is the mirror mix. What this does is you can select a ratio. Right now, let's say if it were sitting here, it would be at 50-50, but if we were to take it at 25%, 75%, what happens is when you're on the green channel, you'll be getting 25% of one of the effects and 75% of the other effect, so overdrive or fuzz. When you switch to the other channel, that will flip-flop, so you'll be getting more of one effect than the other. It's really cool because you can still have an awesome distorted texture to anything that you're playing. You can switch back and forth and have a lead channel essentially on a pedal. I love it. The Velcro type fuzz that it has is really good. It's not that super long sustaining fuzz, but I love that really there's no better way to say it than Velcro fuzz. I'm a huge fan of it. Runs on 9-volt DC. It does have an expression out like most of their pedals do. It's just a fantastic pedal. I immediately convinced a lot of my guitarist friends to pick it up, and they did, and every one of them has been absolutely satisfied. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, give us a like and a subscribe. Show us to all your friends. And head over to guitarchimp.com. See all the neat pedals and guitars we have at any given time. Cheers.